This is a basic HTML page in 2018. This project begins by defining the title of the page within the title markup tags, Demotech homepage. Next, a collection of div elements to hold the visual contents of the web page. Each div element has class and ID attributes. There is an about div, a map div, a social media div, a contact div, a footer div. Next, a couple of meta tags. This helps give any browser some information about the format of our web page. Add in some simple text for visual markers to each div element. Now we have a simple web page that can be viewed in our browser. Add some style rules. These style rules may or may not be necessary depending on which browser the user is employing. These body and HTML tag style rules try to implement a basic viewport format across all browsers, while also setting up alignment containers for our web page's inner contents. The various header tags should have no margins and no padding applied unless we assign the rules. The font size for some header tags are defined. The anchor tag should not be underlined unless the cursor is hovering over it. The default form input element styles are removed and replaced with a single line bottom border and a gray background. The horizontal row element will only have a single pixel top border. Some style definitions for the browser viewport and special Microsoft version of the rules and definitions here. Now a declaration of a class called panel. The panel's contents will be positioned center. The panel will stretch across horizontally. Its vertical margins are 0 pixels and its horizontal margins are auto-assigned. In this case, the panel div's horizontal margins will centralize the location of this div element because its parent tag's text alignment rule is set to center. The HTML body tag's text align attribute is assigned to center. A declaration of iPanel and inner panel. Its text alignment will be assigned left. Some general padding is applied. Now the div elements we previously created are assigned the panel class. The inner panel div element should contain our content for better positioning purposes. Now the content of our web page has its own corresponding style rule definition set, and the content is better positioned on the browser screen.